NZ, we're over halfway now, semi-final 6. What are your thoughts so far?
So we already have 10 vans lined up for the finals. Let's go and have a look and see who could be joining them.
Yeah, good one, mate. Let's have a look at the drivers and teams for tonight.
And first up tonight for Lost Coast Racing is Jay Woodsy Woods, and he's in control of Brandy, who's sporting a lovely pair of Blackfire tyres there. And next up from Po'boy Racing is the Love Shack, with the legend himself, Stroker Ace. Ladies, back off, he's married.
And one of the lightest cars in the field. This is a Builder Driftway drive. Orange Man is the driver, and the van is called Linked, weighing 75 grams. And very last, out of Tasmania, Australia, is Ceci, driving for KC Customs. This is weighing 86 grams, and it's the Ford Transit.
If we could give an award for the best presented van, KC Customs would be on the podium most times because his vans do look fantastic. However, it's a race tonight. We've got Ceci driving it, so we'll see how she looks after it.
That was too close to call that. I think we need to go back and dissect and see who actually got across that line first. The rules do state the wheels have to be on the line in order to win. And I couldn't see the difference between those two.
Yeah, that's a hard one to call. I was pretty much focused on why Ceci was scratching the paint on the roof of that van. But looks like Po'boy's pushing Orange Man across the line and Jay Woodsy's sneaking by on the right. Man, that's close.
That's a big hit in that merger. Let's have a look again from this angle.
Wow, that is so close. There's nothing in that at all. Both their wheels right on the line. Is it worth suggesting talking to someone about giving both teams 4 points for the win?
It's too close to pick. Let's go to the next frame. Look, I'm calling that a dead heat, mate. I don't know what you feel about that.
Yep, 100% fair. I agree. Hey, look, what about giving Po'boy Racing 3 points for second place since he kind of helped Orange Man across the line there? Share the love.
Well, he did officially come second, so yes, he gets the 3 points for second place. Okay, let's move on to the next race. And that really brought out the best of the worst of all these vans. Look at them all over the place. And there's Ceci really just picking those lines beautifully with those Blackfire tyres. Congratulations to the teams going through. And unfortunately, 2 have to go home.
Huge congratulations to Jay Woodsy Woods from Power Drive Racing and to Ceci from KC's Customs. See you guys in the finals.
Good to see an Aussie going through to the finals. Now, NZ, let's have a look at your highlight pick for tonight.
Highlight for me would be when Stroker Ace was out in front by about 4 postcodes and all by himself absolutely cooks it on turn 2. I would hate to hear what the conversation was between him and Po Boy after that race. And due to some unfortunate accidents and misdriving, we're going to say goodbye now to Stroker Ace and Po Boy Racing, and also to Orange Man from Driftway Drive. Absolutely great racing tonight, guys. Just unlucky not to get through.
Another sensational night here in Vantastic 2021. Unfortunately, 2 go through and 2 go home, and that's the way it is. Thanks again for watching. Thank you, NZ, for your commentary in the booth. And until next time, we'll see you in semi-final 7. Good night from Mount Western Raceway.